In this video I'll show you how I made a Discord bot for dad jokes. Who doesn't love a good dad joke, right? And oh boy, it was not easy at all. However, it was worth it at the end because I love telling dad jokes. Sometimes he even laughs. First, I had to sign up for Discord's developer portal. Then, I had to create the bot itself. And as a creative and imaginative programmer, I just named it Dad Joke. Now for the profile picture. Oh, I know. There's no better profile picture for this bot than the person with the most funniest laugh, El Recitas. By the way, rest in peace, my friend. And now Recitas will live forever and tell funny stories as dad jokes. Next, I have to select some permissions and create a link to add the bot to the Discord server. Basically, the only thing the bot will need is to read and send messages. Then I created a new Discord server called Dad Joke Bot so we can test our bot. And using the link we generated previously, I added the bot to the server. And just like that, the dad joke just showed up. Now it is time for the actual coding. Now, after a minimal research, I found that I can host a Discord bot for free and forever using Replit.com. Side note from the editor that the information I got was wrong, and it is not actually for free and forever. Now back to the video. And this is where the difficulty started. First I had to learn this new platform from scratch, and I only got the setup right in like the third or fourth try. So now we can write some code. First I made the app notify me when it's running. Then I set up the default page. Now it is time to bring in the Discord. So the client is the Dad Joke bot. Intents are basically features that we are going to use. Then when we send a message ping, the bot will respond with pound. And at the end we log in the bot using the developer key. So let's try it. Oh no. I rewrote a lot of code and now it should work. Well, there are no errors at the start. Let's try to see if it works. Why? After a little tweaking, it works. And although the ping pong is good and fun, this is a dad joke bot. So, I changed the code. Now, if a message includes the phrase dad joke, then the bot will remind you of the ability to request a dad joke. And can you guess what the problem is? So, you see the bot listens to every message. That means even to his own messages. That creates this infinite loop, and thank God it stopped itself before getting out of hand. To fix that, I made that it ignores messages that comes from bots. Now the problem is solved. And if you thought this was a lot of trouble, then let me introduce you to the concept called registering commands. In short, basically, I wrote the script to register a command /dad joke, and this script is meant to be called independently and only once per server. This was the moment when every programmer's nightmare came out, having no errors but still not working. I smashed my keyboard and opened up Visual Studio Code with hope that it will tell me the problem. And just as I am rewriting the code, I noticed the mistake. I missed 2 parentheses. For non-coders here, I described what the computer will have to do, but never said when it actually had to do it. Now we have a /dad joke command. To test the command, I made the bot respond with hey, finally something worked for the first time. Next, I had to generate dad jokes. And this is when it all went crazy. But now, a quick word from our sponsor, CodersUniversity.net. Coders University gets rid of the YouTube tutorial rabbit hole and gets straight to the point by getting you from knowing nothing to being an overall good programmer with the help of a professor and other students. And if you are not sure yet if you can afford the membership, sign up for Coders University's free weekly newsletter and accelerate your learning journey without paying a penny. But now, back to the video. I went on a search to find a dad joke package that I can add to my code and that will generate the jokes. I went through a lot of packages, but I just kept running into a wall. One package just worked in the console, second had something wrong with the link, and others just did not work. However, a good thing is that all packages have published their code on GitHub, and by combining the parts that worked from different packages, I was able to make it work. Let's go! So, the job is done, right? No. Now we only get to the most fun part, adding a funny GIF to go with the joke. So to do that I had to sign up for Giphy for developers, and I can say only one thing. The website is a complete First I tried to sign up by typing the email, username and password, but the button just did not work. Again and again and again. Well, okay, let's just try using other sign-up methods. Facebook and Apple? Where is Google? Calm down. Let's just try making a Facebook account. Name and surname, programming. Email, password, sign up, and what? They want a real name. Okay, let's time the most generic name, John Brown. And now I have to wait an hour to continue working. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't smash the keyboard. The Facebook banned the account for using a fake name. Then I had no choice but to use my personal Facebook account. Now we have the developer key and we can create some GIFs. It took a lot of time to understand the system and finally make something work. But at the end, we have a GIF of a person laughing after each joke. Then the last thing I needed to do is to activate the register command script every time the bot is added to a server. To test that out, I kicked the bot out of my server. As you see, there's no more /dadjoke command. Then I added the bot back, and as you see, /dadjoke command is back and working. I thought about going on an all-almond diet, but that's just nuts. What do you call a dog that can do magic tricks? A labracadabrator. What's the difference between a hippo and a zippo? One is really heavy and the other is a little lighter. I have just written a song about a tortilla. Well, it is more of a rap, really. And just like that, I made a dad joke bot. And well, of course it is nothing original. I'm sure that a lot better dad joke bots exist, but this was a good try. Now it is your time to go to the link in the description and add the dad joke bot to your Discord server and send me the funniest reactions on Instagram at the programming bit. Also, if you are interested in the code, there will be a link to that soon. But now, similarly to me making my own Discord bot, I made my own WhatsApp. Well, it's just a chatting app. Easy. Let me spoil something for you. It was the complete opposite. And yet I managed to make it in 48 hours. What? That's right. Click to see how.